Hey guys, welcome back. This is Brian from the BTNHD, and we're continuing our configuration for our endpoint protection role within our SCCM environment. On part one, what we did was we configured endpoint protection within our SCCM, and like I said before, it takes some time, but eventually you're going to get yourself this nice little icon. If you go to the Start menu and you go to All Apps, you're going to see that the System Center Endpoint Protection app was installed. Okay. Now the next thing that I want to show you guys on this video is how to configure your alerts for your endpoint protection. So we want to get into administration, overview, site configuration, and sites. You're going to right click on your primary site, go to configure site components, and we want to go into email configuration. From here, by default it's turned off, so we need to enable it. And I have an internal SNTP server, so I'm going to use the IP address for that. So I'm going to do 192.168.47.144. My port is 25. Again, this is within my lab, so I don't have to worry about it. And we're going to give it a sender address email. So this is going to be, let's go, endpoint alerts at btnhd.edu. Okay, and we're going to test. And we're going to send it to info@bjtechnews.org, and we're going to send a test email. Awesome. So it looks like our test SNTP connection was successful. So we are going to close that. Click apply and OK. Alright, so now that we configure our email configuration, let's create a collection for all our Windows 10 machines and configure it for this email notification that we just created together, okay? And for our endpoint protection stuff. So what we're going to do is go to Assets and Compliancy. We want to go into Device Connections. From here, what we want to do is create a device collection. We are giving it a name of all Windows 10 systems. Right? Cool. Limited collection. Let's browse to that. From here, we are going to do all systems. I don't have too many systems, but eventually I'm going to be adding more Windows 10 machines within my SCCM, so don't worry about that. We're going to click OK, and we're going to click Next. From here, you can actually add a role, so you can define the memberships. So your machines on your floor will automatically go inside this collection or container. What I'm going to do is a query rule, and the name will be all Windows 10 computers, or let's go systems. And I am going to click on the edit query statement. I'm going to show query language because I want to edit it. I already know what I'm going to do, so it's going to be select anything from this table where SMS_R system dot operating, hopefully I spell it right. I'm looking at my notes right now, making sure I'm spelling it correctly. Name and version, like, double quotation, parentheses, and workstation. Awesome. Space, and it's going to be 10.0 and %, and then close it. Okay, we're going to click OK. Awesome. And we're going to click OK again. Now the next thing that you need to do is schedule it. By default it's on 7 days, but I'm going to switch it for 10 minutes because I want this to pick up right away. And we're going to click OK, and we're going to click on Next. Nice little summary. Click on Next. If everything works well, you should get a check mark that it successfully created our collection. And we're going to close that up. And as you can see, this is our collection. Okay, so we're going to select that new collection. We're going to right click on it, and we're going to go to Properties. Now within Properties, we want to go into Alerts. Now within Alerts, we want to check View this collection in the Endpoint Protection dashboard. Right? And we're going to click on Add. From here, you're able to add whatever collection alerts that you want. By default, it doesn't select anything, but I'm going to check everything. I want the client to check pass or no results from active clients, fails below a threshold percentage, successful, client activity, endpoint. I want to have all this. These are alerts that I want within my endpoint protection dashboard, and we're going to click OK. Now you can actually change the alert sensitivity. By default it's on warning, but I want to see critical. I want everything that's critical, and we're going to click apply. Awesome, and we're going to click OK. And that's it, guys. That is how you configure your email alerts within your Endpoint Protection Manager within your SCCM. And also, we created a container that's going to be talking to our infrastructure, collecting these machines, talking to our endpoint client management. If anything happens, it's going to email us. It's only going to email us on Windows 10 machines. For Windows 7 machines and Windows 8 machines, you probably need to create a container and do the same thing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Leave comments right below. Don't forget about hitting that like button. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.